everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a 4th of July folding surprise. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 4th of July folding surprise, let's begin by folding our paper. The first step is we want to line up the corners and then give it a nice fold right down the edge here. Now the next step is to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. Next we want to open this up, and we've got these nice little guidelines in here. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now the first step of this is to begin with our eagle. So let's start with the eye. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. Next, I'm going to put a big circle here, and then a smaller circle right here. And then I just like to color this in to kind of give it a little bit of that cute eye effect. Now, right above here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down for a little eyebrow on our eagle. Next, starting here, let's work on the beak. Let's begin here by drawing a line that's going to go out, and then I'll curve down. And then I'm going to bring a line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with a curve, and bring this line up. Next, let's make a little line down. And then let's color in a little oval like this for the nose. Starting here, let's curve a line up here. And then let's make two little points right there. Then let's bring this line down to the fold. We'll continue this by jumping over the fold and coming down here. And then we'll draw a line that's going to come down here. Next, let's go ahead and make a little zigzag line right across here to connect it. And then let's draw a line here and then a line here. Now our next step is to open this up and make the fun surprise. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our eagle. The first thing we want to do is let's take this line and bring it down here to connect. Then over here, let's bring this part of the beak down. Then let's bring it over here and then up. I'll draw a little line like this for like a diagonal. And then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. Next, I'm going to curve this line down, and I'm going to bring it all the way to here. Next, I'm going to want to bring this line up. And then I'm going to curve this line down and over to here. Then I'm going to draw a little curve here for the tongue. And then I'm going to make one and two little lines down. Now inside here, you guys can write whatever you want to. I'm just going to write Happy 4th of July. So I'm going to speed this up, but if I go too fast, you can always pause the video or slow it down so you can see my steps. Now, once you have all this written out or whatever in here, you can always leave it or you can add stuff around here. I like to just add kind of like a big, spiky, kind of pointy line, so it almost looks like a little bit of like an explosion. And it's almost kind of even looks like a little firework too, and I'm going to make it kind of jump over some parts. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little 4th of July Eagle surprise fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.